Jeff, how are you?
Kevin,
Joe,
good
to
how are
see
you?
Riley. So this is what you've been fabricating.
This
And
is the baby.
boy, it's covered up. We got the big reveal today.
Big reveal.
Can we have a look?
All right, Joe, this is you.
All right.
Wow. Oh, that looks awesome.
Holy smoke. And
Look
Jeff,
at
what
that.
am I looking at here?
So you're looking at a 110-year-old reclaimed oak. Came out of a barn in Ohio.
That is spectacular.
And we milled it up into, it's about 7 or 8 pieces. We glued it, clamped it up, and then we brought some samples up for Joe and Liz to choose their finish on.
Yep.
We selected Provincial, I think the color was.
Yep.
And so we stained it, and then we had to apply some epoxy to fill all of the things that are characteristic about this wood.
Yes.
But we didn't want food falling in them. So,
Okay.
so the epoxy fills in all of the voids, but it still gives the look. And then we have 7 coats of urethane on top
That's
of it.
awesome.
So I think it's food friendly.
This just came in. Are you ready to install?
We're ready to go. All right, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put some silicone on, seal this countertop down. All right, let's put it back into place and space it right back where we had it. All right, Joe, you're in charge.
All right.
1 inch off the edge of the counter. You like that, Joe?
Looks good.
All right. All right, we're lined up across the front. Okay,
All right.
ready to fasten. We're gonna pre-drill a pilot hole into the countertop. Now we're gonna put a 2-inch screw into the underside of the countertop. Okay, that should do it.
All right, Joe, I'm dying to hear. What do you think?
This is awesome. I mean, this is what we started with in the kitchen. It was the inspiration for the whole thing, and we built everything else around it. And this looks fantastic. Thanks, guys.
Good to hear.
Sounds like a happy customer. All right, Riley, Jeff, thanks so much for being on our job site this time.
See ya.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.